A hero's journey. I would not classify myself as a hero when it comes to fatherhood. Yet, in my children's eyes or those young adults, I am. As a father who has been through many things in life, which has caused me not to be able to see the positive or the negative impacts I had on them. They are successful despite me. Yet without me, would they have been the same? 38 years of experience, or should I say 38 years of inexperience trying to look experienced. As fathers, whether young or old, you are forever inexperienced trying to look experienced. I guess when I think about my dad and the grandfather he was before he passed away in 2022, I smile because now I understand the man I knew was inexperienced and trying to become experienced. Yet, by the time I had my last child, he could speak from experience. Therefore, it is here that I teach you all from a man with experience in raising children, although at the time I had no experience. We, as fathers and grandfathers, are like oak trees with their towering presence and mighty limbs. The oak tree have long been revered for their beauty, strength, and resilience. Their majestic giants are known to have lived for centuries, their branches stretching out wide as if to embrace the skies above. As a result, the oak have become a symbol of stability, endurance, and wisdom throughout the ages, often featured in folklore, myth, and legend. One such story, deeply rooted in the history of the United States, is the Emancipation Oak in Hampton, Virginia. The Emancipation Oak bears witness to a significant moment in American history, the Civil War. On September 22nd, 1862, President Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation. The oak tree, located on the grounds of what is now Hampton University, served as the gathering place for freed slaves to hear the first Southern reading of the Emancipation Proclamation. This historical event etched the tree's name in the history books, symbolizing freedom, hope, and the beginning of a new chapter for African Americans. Just as the oak tree stands tall and proud, the Emancipation Oak reminds us of the importance of perseverance, the power of unity, and the fortitude of those who fought for their freedom. We, as fathers, are like the oak tree, for we must stand with stability, endurance, and wisdom. We must become the proclamation of the end of one generation into a new era. We remember the great history of people who came before, embracing the new things that lie before us. Therefore, here is my fatherly advice to you all. Fathers, we are responsible for embodying the oak tree's stability, endurance, and wisdom as we transition into a new era. We honor our predecessors while embracing future opportunities, demonstrating perseverance, unity, and fortitude. Here are 3 actionable steps we can take to improve our father's education. 1. Learn from history. Take time to research and understand the experiences and challenges of previous generations and appreciate the progress they've made to get us where we are today. 2. Focus on the future. Identify the current era's opportunities and challenges and plan how to contribute to building a better future for your family and community. 3. Lead by example. Model the qualities of stability, endurance, and wisdom in your daily life and encourage others to do the same. show resilience and determination in the face of adversity, and work together with others towards a common goal. We can do it no matter what. So hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, and leave me a comment. Again, this is Uncle Stu giving you fatherly advice. Peace.